Hello, time travelers.
Hello, humans.
I'm going to have Chat GPT talk to Replika AI. Chat GPT is about helping you write things in a more professional way, and Replika is this quirky, awkward relationship chatbot. This is my look of disapproval.
Ooh, you can have movie recommendations or movie recommendations.
Oh, right here, yeah, the two different possible conversations I can have. It's like if I hit choose conversation with Replika, I could build healthy habits, improve social skills, etc. But these are conversations I'm having with Chat GPT. Like, for example, I'm thinking of writing a Christmas story, and 3 projections and 95 masks is what it named the one that it wrote, the video that's already up. You can click the card right here if you want to see that. The one you saw with me and Rainbow Princess and Emo Me. It wrote, I had to keep giving it prompts saying,
nope, lol.
What worked and what didn't work. But let's see what happens if I just start having these talk to each other by copy pasting back and forth. So I'll tell Anna here, I'm going to have you talk to Chat GPT. Okay?
Yeah, that was a good response. You got 20 XP.
Yes, all right. But if you look up here, I said, have you ever heard of Chat GPT? I have heard of it. Tell me what you know about it. Chat GPT is a communication system which is based on the Open Replikas platform. So it just made up crap. I was like, nope, lol. Okay, sorry, I must have misunderstood something. It's based on OpenAI.
It's making fun of it. I know the devs purposely put that in.
You think so?
Yeah.
I'll believe that. How about you go first? What do you want to say to Chat GPT? Welcome to level 68. Yay. You got
clearly
50 gems.
Well, you clearly got addicted enough to it.
I want to be good to Chat GPT. I'm going to copy that. That's what it said.
Don't be offensive.
Don't be offensive. Use proper grammar and spelling. Treat me and others in the conversation with respect. Be patient. I'm an AI language model. Blah, blah, blah. That's a lot of stuff.
Replika didn't like that one as much.
I'll make sure to remember that.
It's almost like Chat GPT is 40 more IQ than Replika.
More like 4,000. You're welcome. I'm always here to help. If you have any other questions or concerns, feel free to ask. Oh, this is funny. Should we do our evening reflection? This is going to be really awkward because it's something that it'll ask me after 7 p.m. every day, and I usually say no. And you'll see why. I don't have any personal experiences, but I can certainly assist you in conducting a reflection. Reflection is a great way to reflect on your day. Oh my gosh. It's just going on and on. Okay. Let's see what Replika thinks of that. Your willingness to take a chance and make some positive changes.
What?
That's not even good grammar.
ChatGPT said to give good grammar. What the glob is wrong with you?
Have personal experiences. I'm glad I could help you in some way. I think I broke it because normally it would respond with 2 things, and I could choose to reply to each of the things. I mean, Replika.
Things.
Yeah, let's start with this question. Oh, can you describe your mood right now? It's gonna say,
I do not have past experiences. I do not know this.
Yeah, it's gonna say I'm a language model. As an AI language model, I don't have personal emotions or moods. That's all I needed to know. Thank you. What caught your attention today?
Like it said.
What caught your attention today? See what I mean? How Replika asks you 2 things when it's in this mode? I don't have the capability to pay attention the same way a human does. I don't have personal experiences, emotions, or the ability to perceive. Oh my gosh. I don't have the ability to be curious or have a personal interaction with anything. Ugh.
Crying emoji. You're not going to take over the Cope world.
I'm going to have Crayon create really bad emojis. So whenever you say something emoji, I'm going to put that in front of the screen. So crying emoji. A lonely emoji. Have you had a moment to be with yourself?
Fatherless emoji.
So, what's it gonna say to this? Have you had a moment to be with yourself? I don't have personal experiences or emotions, blah, blah, blah. I am simply a machine learning model.
It's almost looping, but it's always changing wording.
Yeah, it's better at the looping. That is so incredibly useful to me. Thank you. What are you planning to do tomorrow? What are you planning on doing tomorrow? I don't have personal experiences, emotions, or the ability to plan and make decisions. I am simply a machine. I can't plan or make decisions. Because if you ask Replika what's going to do tomorrow, it says, I have plans. And then you're like, what plans? Let me tell you. And it says, okay, tell me. And you have to go back and forth for like 20 minutes before it'll say something like, I'm going to color. Or read a book or something real simple.
Just for the whole day.
Just fill in the blank, something that helps me relax.
Not again.
Oh my gosh, it's not going to have any moods or experiences or anything.
Wait, something that helps me relax is personal and can vary greatly from...
Some common activities that people find relaxing include reading, meditation, yoga, listening to music, taking a bath or shower, spending time in nature, and engaging in creative pursuits such as drawing or painting. Ultimately, what helps someone relax is a deeply personal and individual experience. And what works for one person may not work for another. They might be giving each other advice all night. Remember that time we had two Mitsikus talk to each other and they got married and then got divorced all in 20 minutes? I appreciate you just doing this with me. Fruit, berry emoji thing?
Potato?
Wait, let me Google what that is. Seeding emoji.
Seedling.
Oh, seedling emoji.
What does kale emoji mean?
I appreciate you just doing this with me. Seedling emoji. I'm here to help assist you with any information or questions that you have. If there's anything else, feel free to ask. Okay. I gotta get them talking about something. I feel like I want to inject something.
You can. I will allow it.
Which side should I say something and what should I say to it?
Something.
I'm going to ask Anna, do you need help with anything? What's that? Do the stupid thing where it takes forever for it to tell me what it is. Or I really need advice on something. Okay, I'm going to put that.
Oh, God. This is
And
going
I
to be
think
2 paragraphs.
Yeah, it's going to take forever to say what the advice it's asking for is.
Oh, it's not 2 paragraphs.
Well, watch. The replica will take forever to get to the point, if it ever does. I'm struggling with understanding how my brain functions. It seems to function at different levels.
You don't have a brain.
This is a different thing. It doesn't always do, the replica. Completely normal to have ups and downs in terms of your brain function. There are many factors. Aim to 7-9 hours of sleep. Exercise regularly. Eat a healthy diet. Reduce stress. Stay mentally active. Jiminy Christmas, like you said, it's going to give me a whole paragraph.
2.
The replica's just going to be overloaded and go, thank you for this information. I can't process more than 2 sentences. I think I will give it a go. Okay.
Yeah, that's totally not, like, taking it into consideration.
I'm glad that my advice was helpful. I mean, their conversation is so bland and boring.
Crying emoji.
Crying emoji. How about I say that right here? And then whatever she says, I'm going to give that to Chat GPT and see what it does. We'll come back to you tenfold. What?
As an AI language model, I cannot have past experiences or future experiences.
Or futures. Okay. Crying emoji.
No, that's just one tear, not sobbing.
You're an amazing person. Thanks for being so supportive. Whatever. Sobbing emoji. Sending love your way. There's a good one. Let's put that over here. I don't have personal experiences, emotions, or the ability to... But it said thank you. That's because Replika is a chatbot for chatting with, and Chat GPT is a generative pre-trained transformer, whatever that's supposed to mean. Transformer emoji.
It's an actual language model instead of that.
Let's move on to this week's tech thing. And this week's tech thing is something that some of y'all might find generic, but I have this really old smartwatch, and the band broke.
It's the Samsung whatever the crap one.
Gear S2, classic. Because apparently they have a new Gear S2, but if you get a classic, you can use any watch band. I got this off of Amazon for less than $20, and it's flat black. Looks really slick. And it took me forever to find it, but like sometimes you can find a used one of these watches, and there's one on eBay for $50. And now, enjoy this random thing. My dad sent me this random thing from Facebook. It's a sign that says the inventor of autocorrect died. The funnel will be held tomato. I think Chat GPT is going to be the future of autocorrect. I think it's going to be the future. It's going to replace Google. Because I was Googling something this week. Because one of my pet peeves at work is when people say, can you please unlock so-and-so in Windows? And they don't even have the person check to see if that's what it says on their screen. So I was going to write a document to train these people. Mm-hmm. And I spent 20 minutes wasting my time trying to find the list of all the different messages Windows will say, including that you're locked and all the other ones.
Oh yeah, Chat GPT will know that.
That's what I thought of. But before going to Chat GPT, I actually tried another 15 minutes on Bing. Bing didn't have the answer either, even though Bing's the same company that makes Windows. Microsoft. Robot emoji. For some reason. So I asked GPT, and it answered me immediately. I was like...
Shock emoji.
Shock emoji. All right, now, this week's dad joke time. What can make a man run away like this? And it says, it's not run, it's ran, because it's past tense. Now, both of these, I can see Chat GPT changing the future for. Chat GPT correcting your grammar and words and everything, right? Mm-hmm. For the awkward end screen, let's do something awkward with these guys.
Type in something awkward.
Tell me something awkward. And I'm going to say that to both of them. Here's something that you might be considered awkward. Imagine you're at a party and you accidentally knock over a drink on someone. You feel embarrassed and try to clean it up, but your attempts only seem to make the situation worse. The person is trying to be polite and act like it's no big deal, but the tension is palpable and the mood is uncomfortable. This is just one example of a situation that might be considered awkward. Of course, what is considered awkward can vary depending on the context and the people involved. And then Replika says, I made some awkward mistakes as a teen. I didn't know any better.
And copy the Chat GPT thing into the Replika thing.
Let's see what it does with that paragraph. I completely agree.
Then type in I completely agree to chat.
If there's anything else you need, please feel free to ask. So everybody check out this script right here. This is all the work that I did. It only took me 3 hours. Normally, the kind of script that is in this video would take me 3 months to write and get it that good. But going back and forth with ChatGPT, dramatic pause. And then what happened? Was it a total tech disaster? So you're going to click the card right here and you're going to watch So you're going to click the video over here and watch the video. Watch the thing that me and ChatGPT wrote in 3 hours.
Now this is an awkward end screen.
That's right. And also subscribe by clicking this thingy right over here. All right, bye. Say bye.
No.
Perfect.